Hey you gorgeous humans, welcome back to my channel. 2025 is here. We're not just stepping into the new year, we're stepping into the best versions of ourselves. Today, I'm serving you the ultimate glow-up tips that'll have you shining like the main character you truly are. From skincare to mindset shifts, style hacks to that next level confidence boost. I've got you covered, so grab a snack, maybe some water. Hydration is key, y'all, and let's get glowing. This video includes Tip 1. How to get rid of acne and achieve glowy, dewy skin. Say goodbye to acne with this simple 2 ingredients remedy. Here's how to make your own clove and rose water spray. Start by boiling 5 to 6 cloves in a cup of water for about 5 minutes. Let it cool completely. Strain the clove water and mix it with an equal amount of rose water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray it on clean skin twice a day, morning and night. Let it dry naturally for best results. Cloves have antibacterial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria, while rose water soothes inflammation and reduces redness. Tip 2. Want soft pink lips? Here's a quick tip. First, mix sugar and honey to exfoliate. Gently scrub your lips to remove dead skin. Then apply a thick layer of Vaseline before bed for intense hydration. Tip 3. Tired of ugly yellow smile? I got you. Here is a quick and natural tip. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice to make a paste. Apply it to your teeth with a toothbrush, gently brushing for 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly and repeat once a week for a brighter smile. Tip 4. Do you want silky, shiny hair like celebrities? Then run to your nearest beauty store and buy this freaking magic potion. 1. Shampoo your hair and rinse. 2. Apply Pheno Mask to damp hair, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. 3. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Tip 5. Bigger chest. Okay, love your body, obviously, but if you're insecure about being, a bit flat, here's a tip. Eat bee pollen. Seriously, it's packed with nutrients and helps build muscle. Pair it with push-ups and chest fly exercises, and voila, your girls might get a little love lift. Love yourself, but also bee pollen, 'cause I'm just a girl. Tip 6. Want a slimmer belly? Start your mornings with this simple drink. Just add 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds, a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and hot water. This powerful combo boosts digestion, fights inflammation, and helps shed belly fat. Try it for 7 days and feel the difference. Tip 7. Looking to achieve a slim, toned body? Here are 3 quick tips. 1. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It boosts metabolism. 2. Cut down on processed foods and focus on high-protein, low-carb meals. 3. Stay active. Just 30 minutes of walking daily makes a big difference. Consistency is key. And the last, tip 8. Here are some important tips to avoid looking boring in 2025. Don't forget to take screenshots. And that wraps up this Glow Up 2025 journey. Remember, glowing up isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good, growing mentally, physically, and emotionally, and becoming the best version of yourself.